Welcome back. So in the previous video we have covered the cast modification, and today we are going to cover the socket inliners. The outer frame of the socket is generally known as laminated socket, and this laminated socket is hard, strong and lightweight. This laminated socket provides most of the structural support as it is hard. So we need a soft interface between laminated socket and the skin. The purpose of this interface is cushioning, but sometimes the purpose is suspension as well. There are a variety of material which we can use as an interface. We have gel liners, we have foams, and sometimes we use plastics. The thickness of these socket interface is variable from few millimeters up to 2 to 3 centimeters depending upon the condition of the stump. So this is the foam inliner which we are going to make today. Its shape is exactly the shape of the socket. In order to make this soft socket, we have to take measurements of our modified cast. First of all, we will take the maximum diameter of the cast, and then we'll take the minimum diameter of the cast, and in the end we will take the length of the socket. And then we will add 1 centimeter in the maximum and the minimum diameter and 10 centimeter in the length. Now we will transfer these measurements on a 5 millimeter thickness EVA foam in a way that it will make a trapezoid shape. The maximum measurement was 38, so I will take 3 reference points, 1, 38 and also the midpoint of the 38 which was 19. Now I am marking the length which was 35, and then I will mark the minimum diameter which was 28 and its half was 14. So the midpoint of all the measurements should be same. Now join the dots and make a trapezoid like shape. And this is the trapezoid shape which we got. Now we will cut this trapezoid in order to make it a cone. After cutting the trapezoid shape, I have to mark 1 centimeter on the left and right side of the trapezoid shape, but it should be on the opposite faces of the EVA foam. Something like this. Now we will chamfer this. After chamfering it with a router, we will glue both ends and then we will join it to make it a cone shape. While joining both of the ends, we should be very careful. There should be no wrinkles in the cone, as it is the soft interface which will come directly in contact with the skin, so it should be very smooth and soft. Now we will heat this a little bit in the oven and then we will apply it on our model. It should be snug fit. We will take the pressures which we gave in the cast during modification, and now we will make cap of this soft socket inliner. In order to make a cap, first of all we will cut the extra part of this EVA foam. Then we will take a square piece. We will heat that piece and apply it at the top of the model. We'll get the shape. We will chamfer it from the corners, and then we will stick both parts as shown in the video. Now we will make the reinforcement patches for the supracondylar area where we gave the pressure in the cast, and then we will apply it on the model to reinforce it, and it will work it as a suspension system. And then finally we will give it a cosmetic covering with 1 mm EVA foam, and it will turn out to be like this, and this will be our soft socket inliner